Robotics is a field of study that involves engineering and programming, a part of computer science. As such, the students learn to analyze their programs, see what's going wrong, see where the problem is, and then come up with possible solutions. Then to test each solution one by one to see which one gives the best result. That's in the programming. Then there's the building, the engineering side of things. Students look at how can I design this to be what I want. I want to build a cage that is going to be lifted up or down depending on when something else happens. How can they build that cage? How can they attach that cage to the motor that then determines through the sensors when to lift it up or when to put it down? The students learn to program the robots. Right now we use Robot C. That could change any semester. It's a program language that allows the students to learn the traditional control structures that are used, keywords that tell the robot what to do, how to command the motors, how to command the sensors, and what to do with the information coming in from the sensors in order to tell the motors what to do. The type of students that generally apply for the robotics course are students who want to major either in engineering or in computer science or information systems. But the fact is, any student in any field of study can benefit from robotics. Why? Because really what students learn is critical thinking, analysis, evaluation, feedback, and then redesign. So with those skills, they are generalized across multiple levels, multiple fields. The challenges that our students face in robotics have to deal mostly with the fact that our students, for the most part, haven't done a lot of Lego in the past. As such, they don't know how to read the Lego diagrams for building, and that becomes a challenge. How to orient pieces in the right position in order to get them to connect. But as students progress through the course, they quickly improve and become very good at it. The other part that our students face some difficulty in is programming, because most of our students have never seen any programming before. Many of our students are surprised to learn that programming actually is quite easy. As long as they learn the structures bit by bit, then they can put it all together, and they find it quite fulfilling. So if you're interested in learning something fun and useful at the same time, join Robotics.
Robotics is a course taught at ABP, which helps us to learn more about robots and the programming on which how it works, because robot works on programming and that is more important. I chose this class because this generation and the coming generation is all on robotics, on all machines and computers. So for me, I guess this was a foundation in order for me to learn more complex program and more complex robots. I learned a lot about designing and programming, and I guess this will help me a lot in the future. And also it's not only confined to robots, rather it is a life lesson about programming, that how you go step by step and reach your goal.